This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The race for the White House is proving tighter than many had anticipated, and certainly more than what the opinion polls had indicated, as incumbent President Trump wins in several battleground states. Joe Biden's lead could narrow further in the coming hours. However, with millions of postal votes yet to be counted, the final result may not be known until Friday. The real danger, though, for the markets is the strong possibility of the Trump team challenging the counting of mail-in votes in the Supreme Court. In a White House press briefing earlier today, Trump prematurely declared victory and claimed that the inclusion of postal ballots received after Tuesday would be a fraud on the American public. His comments sent U.S. and European stock futures plunging, which until that point had been edging higher despite the predicted looming legal battle. If there is no clear winner in the next few hours and Trump goes ahead with his legal threat, the final result may not be called for several weeks, if not months. Such a scenario would potentially cause a prolonged period of paralysis in Washington and uncertainty in financial markets. But investors appear to be trying hard not to jump to any dramatic conclusions just yet, as futures for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite quickly bounced back from their dips, with only Dow Jones futures holding in negative territory. But it's not just about the presidential race, as winning control of the Senate is also proving a tough challenge for the Democrats. Treasury yields fell sharply across the curve as a split Congress would make it less likely that another large fiscal stimulus package would ever be approved. But fading hopes of more fiscal stimulus weren't the only thing driving demand for Treasury notes, as investors also sought their safety amidst the rising political uncertainty. Haven currencies such as the US dollar and the Japanese yen also benefited from the anxiety generated by the closely contested election. The greenback briefly brushed a more than 1 month high against a basket of currencies before easing slightly. With counting still underway across America, much of the focus will remain on the election, and investors should brace themselves for some further bouts of volatility. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.